Kung baguhang baker ka pa lang or matagal na nagbe-bake, sure ako na nakagawa ka na ng cinnamon rolls. And this is a classic cinnamon roll recipe na bibigyan natin ng twist para magkaroon ng iba't ibang flavors. Let's begin by adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half cup of milk, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and 2 teaspoons of instant dry yeast. Now mix all the ingredients for 6 to 8 minutes until the dough releases from the side of the bowl. Pwede siya ng mano-mano, mas matagal nga lang ang pagmasa. Malalaman nyo na okay na by doing the window pane test. Now grease your bowl with butter at i-rest natin yung dough for 40 minutes to 1 hour until it doubles in size. Now for the cinnamon and butter mixture, combine 1/4 cup of softened butter, half cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, and optional na lang yung half cup of nutmeg. Then set this aside. And after ma-rest yung dough at mapaalsa, i-dust lang natin yung table with flour para lang di manikit yung dough. Using a rolling pin, stretch and roll lang natin yung dough into a rectangular shape. And then pag okay na, ipahid na natin yung cinnamon butter mixture. I-spread lang natin evenly to cover the dough. And starting from the top, roll the dough to form a log shape. Then using a knife or a scraper, divide lang natin yung dough into 9 small rolls. Using a 7x7 square pan or kung ano available na meron ka, place all your cinnamon rolls but make sure na may space in between rolls. Rest lang natin ulit for 20 to 30 minutes. Then after ma-rest, spread melted butter on top. In a preheated oven, bake it for 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And while it's baking, prepare naman natin yung kanyang cream cheese frosting. Combine half cup of softened cream cheese, about 1/4 cup of milk, a dash of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Now gusto ko yung medyo runny yung consistency ng frosting ko, kaya ina-adjust ko na lang yung amount ng milk. Mix until smooth, then set aside. After ma-bake ng cinnamon rolls, transfer na natin agad sa kanyang serving plate, and habang mainit-init pa, lagyan na natin ng cream cheese frosting sa ibabaw. And for the flavors, nag-prepare ako ng dark chocolate ganache, chocolate chips, sweetened coconut flakes, roasted walnuts, roasted sliced almonds, blueberry pie toppings, melted Biscoff spread, and white chocolate ganache with matcha powder. And here is our finished products from a simple and delicious cinnamon rolls to a variety of flavors na pwedeng-pwede nyo ipangregalo or gawing business idea. Definitely, madami pa kayong flavors na pwedeng gawin sa cinnamon rolls. Unahin natin itong blueberry. Kakaiba to guys. Cinnamon rolls with cream cheese frosting and blueberry. Gusto po. Ang sarap. Hindi siya matamis guys. Yung pinaka cinnamon roll niya, yung pinaka bread, hindi matamis. Yung cream cheese medyo tart. Saka yung blueberry toppings. Yung pagka maasim na, konting sweetness lang. Sarap nito. Super moist nung cinnamon rolls natin. Oh. Sarap! Ito nabili ko sa Rustans. Yung coconut flakes. Mayroon paghanap dito eh. Madalas nakikita is desiccated. Ito medyo may mga hibla siya. Let's go guys. Ang sarap din. Ano siya? Sweetened coconut flakes. Kaya hindi tayo papayat for 2025 guys. Let's natin matcha. So white chocolate ganache with matcha powder. Let's go. Ang sarap. 3 down, 5 to go. Ito Biscoff. Crunchy na version ng Biscoff. Inunaw ko lang siya sa microwave. Let's go. Ito, ang sarap ng combination. Cinnamon, Biscoff, cream cheese. So, dark chocolate ganache. Dinrizzle lang natin. Ito, chocolate chips. So, dito tayo sa ganache. Ang sarap kasi mapait yung chocolate. Kung mahilig ka sa dark chocolate, magugustuhan nyo to. Itong walnuts naman. Sarap ng almonds, guys. Ito namang walnuts. Sarap din, pero mas favorite ko. Pinaka na-surprise ako sa lasa niya. Yung blueberry, ang sarap. Yung blueberry saka yung biscoff. Ang sarap ng blueberry.